Hello everyone, my name is Dawlat. I'm Turkmen language and literature teacher. Today we are going to study Turkmen ABC, Turkmen ilp. So in total we have 30 letters, 21 consonants and 9 vowels. Today we will read the letters of the Turkmen language, and then by doing that we will be able to read the simple words, and slowly we will improve our reading skills. Okay, the first letter of the Turkmen language is A. A, B, Ç, D, E, F, G, H, I, C, J, K, L, M, N, O, Ö, P, R, S, Ş, T, U, Ü, V, I, Y, Z. So this is the Turkmen alphabet. This is the Turkmen alphabet. Let me read one more time, and it's better if you can repeat after me. Now I will pay attention to the specific sounds. Maybe I will pronounce them twice or thrice. A, B, Ç, D, E, F, G, H, I, C, J, K, L, M, N. This is nasal N. We say N or N. In the word, it's pronounced as a N. Or this one, Ö, P, R, S. So we have two variations of this S. We in some letters we say S. In some in some words we say S. In some words we say Th. So the next one, Ş, T, U, Ü, V, I, Y, Z. So again, as in the same situation as if with S and Th, we have Z and we have The, but we let's say we write Z and The as with the same letters, and we have lots of similar situations with the G. Sometimes in some words, when G comes in the beginning, we read it as a G in the beginning of the word. When it comes in the middle or in the end of the word, we read it as a G. So the same things with the B, but we'll talk about that later. So now vowels. Vowels, as I said, vowels. We have 9 vowels and 21 consonants. 9 vowels and 21 consonants. Vowels are these sounds. Let me read them. A, E, I, O, Ö, U, Ü, and I. This is vowel sounds. One more time. A, E, I, O, Ö, U, Ü, I. And now consonants. Students, we have 21 consonants. We call them çekimsiz sesler. This one, çekimli sesler. Okay, let's read the vowels. Syllables. B, Ç, D, F, G, H, J, Ž, K, L, M, N, N, P, R, let's say S, okay, S, Sh, T, V, Y, and the last one but not the least, Z. As I said, we can read them as a Th and The, or we can read it as a sh, as a S and Z. So one more time: B, Ch, D, F, G, H, J, Ž, K, L, M, N, N, P, R or Re. Both of them are correct because in the word we read it as a Re. S or Th, Sh, T, V, Y, Z or The. So these were the sounds of Turkmen language: 9 vowels and 21 consonants. Okay, the 9 vowels of Turkmen are represented by the following letters or letter groups. So now we will study the vowels. The first one is A. We have, students, we have long vowels and short vowels, but we will study that later. But now when you see the short, pronounce it as an English A in the word father. So just do not be confused. We will study all of them systematically, slowly. So the first one is A. When we have short A, it's pronounced as an English A in the word father, A. Many students confuse it. They read it as A, especially the English speakers. So no, it's not A. If you want to write A, that would be 2 letters, A and Y, but this is A. So A. In words with a long A, it is pronounced as a drawn out English A, as in Bach, Hamburg. So we have a short and long A. So now just remember this is A. The second vowel is E. We have 2 dots in the top. When we pronounce it short, it's pronounced as an English A. As an English A in the ant. In words with a long A, it is pronounced as a drawn out A, like a man or lamp. And so this is E. A. The next letter is E. When short, pronounce it as an English E in the pet. There is no long E in Turkmen language. Just do not forget, students, we do not have long E. When we need to write E longer, we change it to the E. I will explain this rule later, but now just remember that we do not have long E. The next one, I. When short, pronounce it similar to the English E in the possible. English I in the possible. This is I. Okay, where is that? Okay, this is I. In words with a long I, it is pronounced approximately as a drawn out he in a wheel, but deep in the throat. So one more time, I. The next letter is E, not I. E, we say E. When short, pronounced as an English I in the middle, E. In the words with a long E, it is pronounced approximately like an E and A in easy. So we have long E and short E. The next one, O. when short, pronounce it as an English A in a all. In words with a long O, it is pronounced approximately as a O in a board. So we have O, we have O, short and long O. And the last three vowels, U, when short, pronounce it as an English U in the truth. U, this is U. In words with a long U, this sound is pronounced approximately as a drawn out English O in the through. So we have long U, we have short U. The next one, pronounce it short, is close to the like I and R in girl. Girl. This is but with rounding the lips. In words with a long it's pronounced with a longer duration than short o, as in the word learn, like learn. Girl, learn. U, U. Don't get confused with the U. This is with the dots. That means U, similar to U as an English prune, but with more tightly round lips. U. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.